Hi, Darren here with just a quick editor's note. The footage you're about to see was filmed in 2019, just before we had our computer crash, and like we mentioned in our channel relaunch video, we'll be going through and tidying up all these loose ends so we can bring you a brand new production year in 2021. So stay tuned for that, and let's see the main show. Thanks. Pop quiz. What was the first Mustang to come with a factory cup holder?
94.
94, the SN95 Mustang, although it sucks. If you've got anything bigger than a 12-ounce fluid ounce can of soda, you're out of luck. Sean, got a solution?
I sure do.
This one, we're doing a junkyard cup holder install. Not glamorous, but damn useful.
98.
Okay, this is normally the time where we would head over to the tabletop and extol all the virtues of the awesome parts we've got. However, this is a $10 piece of plastic from the junkyard, so that's not very interesting. In fact, this barely warrants an episode, but it's a really useful upgrade. So Sean, what do you got? What are you doing? How are we doing it?
Got a cup holder from a 98 Mustang.
Junkyard pieces?
Yep. If you have a 96 or 97 Mustang, pull the whole center console. The colors match. From 95 to 98, the center console is a different gray, apparently. Doesn't match. And this interior is so pristine that we want to keep everything matching.
Dripping with sarcasm on the pristine. Look at the door cards. Wrecked. Now,
Basically, this is easier than changing out a center console because I hate pulling them.
right.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take where the ashtray is, we're going to cut it out, clearance it, drop this in, glue it in place so it stays. And then I have cup holders that are not this piece of garbage. Although, I'm lucky because most of them are broken.
That's right. Okay, this one's super simple. Don't be afraid of it, but we are going to get out the hack tool,
That's right.
the Dremel 200.
First step is you got to remove the ashtray lid. So, ashtray lid removed.
Good.
Now we start dremeling.
Cool. And time lapse.
Okay, I have the middle bit cut out, just test fitting the piece. And really all you do is you kind of lay it in and you look at what you have to trim to make it fit. I'll have to pull this back a little bit, pull it back here. Shouldn't be much more than that. I'll have to trim it down in here a bit. Until this sits down in, all the cuts are covered. And after that, some glue.
Nice.
Okay, next step with this roughed in is we're going to cut a little notch so we can kind of set this back in here a bit and get her to fit a little more snug.
Yeah, it's coming along.
Yep.
Okay, Sean, so you've done some trimming, you've done some fitting, carefully going a little bit at a time.
Yep.
So here is our final pattern, more or less.
I did have to cut all the reinforcing pieces in here, which really don't change anything.
Sure.
Cup holder hit them.
Yeah, so let's see. How's it go? Moment of truth.
It's good enough.
Yeah, fits well enough. And once you're sure that everything's exactly where you want, you're going to adjust some of the wiring because you do lose your power point.
Yep.
So you're going to move that somewhere else. But
Yeah.
once that's all set, glue her down and she's permanent, right?
That's right.
So does it fit a
Yeah.
cup? Well, look at that. Mission success.
Yep. This one for a bigger one, but yep, fits.
That's way better than the
I can't knock that off.
yeah, way better than the 12-ounce can holder that these things come with factory.
Exactly.
Absolute junk. So super short and simple install, super cheap. Something you can do on a day if you're got a basic Dremel and a little bit of time on your hands, but definitely a good upgrade, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Certainly. And cut. Okay, so a very quick mod, kind of light. You know, it's almost too short to make a full episode of, but hey, it's something that a lot of guys like to do. A very good mod, super simple, super cheap, checks a lot of boxes.
Makes living with the car in the daily form very much nicer.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you like this sort of stuff, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, we'll catch you later.